Today we're going to look at how to give access to student medical records and clarify what information different roles can see. Staff who have access to student medical records can see and edit the following for all students in the school: health screenings such as hearing, vision, and physical exams, visits to the school nurse, immunizations, medications, health history, and they can also run custom reports across all students. Here's how to create a login for someone who is a dedicated school nurse. Head over to the Staff tab within Gradelink and click on Add New Staff. Now, under the access type, choose Admin Limited. This allows you to choose which permissions the person will have access to. In the Permissions section, uncheck All and then check Medical. This ensures the nurse can focus on the student's health information. Maybe you already have a staff member and you want to add the nurse role to them. Here's how to adjust their account. Go to the Staff tab and search for the user. If their access type is already admin full, then they already have full access, including the medical records, so you're good to go. If their role is admin limited, open the permissions and check the box next to medical. This grants them access to the student health information. To allow teachers to access medical records, go to the Settings tab. Under Teacher, check Enable Access to Student Medical Information. We want to ensure student privacy. Teachers will not have access to the full range of medical records. By enabling access to student medical information, teachers can click on a student's name to view the student's health history for the students whom they teach. This helps them understand what potential health concerns might influence their learning. Teachers cannot see health screenings, immunization records, medications, or visits to the school nurse. By following these steps, you can ensure a secure login for your school's nurse.